Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a little haul to share with you all. It's kind of a combined haul. One from Amazon and then the rest will be from Walmart. So it finally came today. This is my new light because this guy on this side is on now. It's working right now, but it's just so finicky the days that it doesn't want to work. So like any Amazon product, you gotta roll with the punches, right? Let's see what this kit looks like. Here it is, guys. It's another ring light, and it doesn't have a real brand name. No. It just says KinCam 8-inch LED selfie iPhone light kit. So this one is, I think, the same. No, this is 8, and this light up here is 9. So it's like smaller by an inch. But I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. It comes with all these pieces and the directions. And I'm hoping it has its own USB adapter. I don't know. Here's a little remote. And here's this lock-on latch for the phone. And this is the tripod. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice little bag in case I want to go somewhere with it. That's cool. One thing I always want to do is make sure that the pieces are all here. And I'm thinking I don't have an LED light. Not LED light, but a plug. I don't think I have a plug for this. This is the tripod. It's not bad. You know. My question. Oh, okay, I see. It's a very transformation kind of tripod. Well, that's cool. I don't know if you guys could see that. So it came really like this, like a short stand. And I thought that that was the extent of it. I'm sorry if I hit it. But it's probably like 8 inches. Let's see. Oh, 11.5 inches long, the center pole itself. But when you pull the legs all the way down, you can make it taller. So that just doubled our height. And our little feet, wonder if it moves. No. But it's a pretty tall tripod. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the same tripod that I already have. But for camera's sake, let's just raise you up here so you guys can really see. Don't mind the big mess. But these are all the pieces. A little remote. And this is for your cell phone to attach your cell phone with. And I think this is the mount for the light itself. Okay. And it's amazing it didn't break because there was no padding in the box for any of this. Isn't that crazy? This is what we get. Crazy. Alright, let's see what this light looks like. Oh, so the difference with this light, it has a mirror. Yeah, so there's a mirror right here. I mean, you guys can see that. And I guess that's to help reflect the light back to the image. Oopsie daisy, what the heck? Was that supposed to come off? That is crazy. So these are metal plates, and they're supposed to stick. There's these magnets right here, here, and here. Okay, so if you, in case you want to add the mirror for the selfie, and then you just attach the this is what I don't like because it's so awkward. You attach it to the little mount, like a little ball mount. Yep, and you can adjust your light. Oh, that's an easier mount to adjust to. All right, that's pretty good, guys. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so we're not going to make it as tall right now. We'll just bring it down a little bit, bring it like that. Can you guys see that? And this light also comes with, oops, okay, I don't know if I'm gonna like this mirror thing, but whatever. So it also comes with a power on off and different kind of light, and then a dimmer. So the downfall is you don't get a charger adapter, the little box thing that you plug it into. Okay, and the wire is pretty long. Let me move some stuff out of the way. Okay, it's our USB adapter. I just have my plugs under here, so I'm gonna see what this is gonna look like. Okay, guys. Let's see. Hopefully this works. Oh, see, there's the power. Oh, look at that light. Oh, this is so good. And the dimmer, I'm gonna dim it down. I don't know if you guys can tell that it's getting dimmer. That is so cool. Let's check a different color. There's a yellow light right there. And the blue light. This is the white light. That is so cool, you guys. There's a yellow light. Can you tell the difference? Can you tell the difference on the mode? There's a blue light. There's a white light. You see that? There's a white. There's a blue. There's the yellow. And I like that one. That's the brightest. Very good. Well, guess that will be it for my Amazon haul. I don't know. I'm going to make another video separate from this for the Walmart haul, but just turn that off. And I hope you guys check it out. I'll try and share the link down below in the description box. And I'm assuming that these mounts are, if you pull the legs out more, you can mount them right to the legs. And you just clamp it. I'm not going to do that right now, but because it's a little hard. But thank you all for joining me. Here's our remote. Let me share with you what it has on the remote before we go. This is the remote for your camera. yeah, so basically you can use that for when you have your phone set up. It's right now it's blinking because it's looking for whatever phone I want to use to remote record, and you can use that to help with the hands-free part. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I'm just a little out of it, but I just wanted to share this with you. I got it from Amazon. I just googled ring light, and then I went from lowest price to the highest, and from there I just selected which one had the most features that I was willing to, you know, work with. But that's our light. There's our blue, there's the yellow, there's the white. Oh, there's 4 lights. Ooh, I like that. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's cool. Go check it out. I'll try and link the Amazon link for this below, and I hope you guys come back next week for our giveaway. So till next time, bye guys.